Hey guys, we're at our brother's house, and today is his birthday. Dominic, turn around, lady.
Want me to turn it on?
Dominic, birthday boy, turn around and say hello.
No.
So Lily brought the cake. Let's sing happy birthday, Dominic. That's a really cool cake. So she forgot candles, but she had to run to the store and get candles. And this is the candles that she got. Mega candles. Mega candles for the cake. Do you see how big those candles are? Isn't candles supposed to be smaller than that? But that's what you get whenever you forget the candles for somebody's birthday. So remember the candles, guys. Never forget the candles.
Oh, God.
Like some people in this household. Namely Lily.
You know what? That wasn't my fault.
It was your fault.
It was my fault.
Why is my phone broken?
She forgot.
No. I just got brand new internet.
That's what you get for having Frontier.
He's
No,
talking to his
never
sister.
done that.
Hey, no.
In Oregon.
Internet with Frontier.
Are you guys gonna do the cake? Cause I gotta leave it.
Oh my God, my screen's there, but
And that's his
nothing's
other
there.
sister,
Are you serious?
Katrina.
We're
Say
supposed to have a
hello,
birthday party.
Katrina.
You're supposed to be here.
You gotta wave.
Redo it.
You gotta get a wave. Yes, hello. Watch this. She's gonna light this thing. It's gonna catch a house on fire because
Shut up.
she's drinking beauty cake. And the cake's coming off. She's gonna lose the cake.
I'm not blind, I'm drunk. That shouldn't be. Alright. Done. Alright, we should turn all the lights off.
Yeah. Light that fire. Here comes the fire pit. Do we need to call the fire department first?
Probably. It's actually not insured. Alright.
I'll turn the light off.
Alright.
Alright, here we go.
Do you want to do this?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dominic. Happy birthday to you. Help him. Yeah. All right. His entire family too. His sister's on the phone.
Katrina!
I didn't even get one.
Over here.
Oh shit!
I don't want a double dipper.
I didn't get a candle. Complaining about a candle.
Let's go and cut it.
Right?
Donna gets first, and then
He's got his little balloon. There goes the birthday boy.
$30 ice cream cake, by the way.
what?
Yeah.
They messed up on it. They couldn't find it.
I called first piece.
All right. Well, you're getting the second piece because your first
Look
one
at
went to Gina.
that. Look at that. Yeah.
Hey, Bob, you need to
What's his name? I'll give it to him.
fork me.
Pork you.
Fork me.
They're getting ready to cream him.
Stop. Everybody stop.
They're gonna cream him for his birthday.
Stop.
What?
Go.
Hold on.
Your daddy.
What do you do?
Watch this.